morning, Chapter 7. I am going to continue Chapter 3, Elements, Compound and Mixture. Dear student, in this video I am going to explain you few important methods to separate solid, liquid, mixture. And these methods are: first, evaporation; second, crystallization; and third, centrifugation. By this particular method, we can separate solid, dissolve in liquid. So let us see the first process, evaporation. So what do you mean by the process evaporation? Evaporation is the method or process of converting a liquid into its vapor state. Either by exposing it to air or by heating. So dear student, let us understand what do you mean by the term evaporation. Evaporation is the process of converting a liquid into its vapor state. Either by exposing it to air or by heating. So let us understand the particular process with the help of diagram, how we can separate solid, dissolve in liquid. Take an example: salt and water mixture, sugar and water mixture. So, two examples: salt and water mixture, and second, water and sugar. Means sugar is dissolved in the water. Take a beaker and half fill the beaker with the salt and water mixture. Means here salt and water mixture. Heat it with the help of burner or spirit lamp. With the help of spirit lamp. What we notice when the liquid or the particular solution is being heated, water start to change into vapor. And after half an hour, all the liquid from the solution used to be evaporated. And what we see, bottom of the container, on the bottom of the container, salt remains. Salt remain and the liquid used to evaporate. So, by the process evaporation, we can separate solid dissolved in the liquid. For example, salt and water mixture or salt and water solution, you can say. So, by the evaporation, we can separate solid from the solution. And the solid can be salt or sugar or any other type of the materials. Next, I am going to explain you about crystallization. It is a process in which slow evaporation of solution containing a solid component is done. Example, concentrated So dear student, let us understand what do you mean by crystallization. Crystallization is the process in which slow evaporation of the solution containing more solute and less solvent is done. So slow evaporation of the solution containing solid component means more solid component in the solution is being done. Take an example, concentrated sugar solution, sugar and water solution. What do you mean by the concentrated? In which the amount of the solute is more than the solvent. So let us understand the particular process with the help of diagram. Take a beaker, half filled, concentrated solution of sugar and water. What do you mean by the concentrated? In which the amount of the solute is more than the solvent. Such type of the solution is known as concentrated. It is being heated. It is being heated by the help of the burner, and the liquid present in the solution evaporate. And when the amount of liquid is very less, let it cool. Let the solution cool. What you notice, it form, or the solute form crystal form, means it take the shape of the crystal, and the process is known as crystallization. Dear student, in home you may have seen when sugar syrup allowed to cool, it take a crystal shape, and the process is known as crystallization. Next I am going to explain you about centrifugation. Centrifugation is the method of separating solids from liquids where the mixture is homogeneous. So dear student, what do you mean by centrifugation? Centrifugation is the method of separating solid from liquid where the mixture is homogeneous. Homogeneous mixture. The method to separate solid from the homogeneous method is known as centrifugation. It is one of the traditional method to separate solid from the homogeneous mixture. It is also known as churning process. Churning process. Churning process. Dear student, the component of the particular solution or the homogeneous mixture can be separated from each other because the component used to differ in their density. We can understand centrifugation process with the help of diagram. Take a beaker, half filled, or in place of beaker, take a centrifuge tube and fill with milk. Now put the particular tube in centrifuge machine where it is to rotate the particular solution with a high speed. After the machine used to stop, what you notice? Cream, which is being dissolved in the milk. It used to separate and collected on the surface of the mixture or the milk. So dear student, it is one of the traditional method to separate cream from the milk, and the process is known as centrifugation. In the olden days, by this process only, cream was being separated. Still now, and based on centrifugation process, washing machine used to squeeze out water from the wet cloth. Also, by the dairies or in the dairies, cream is being separated from the milk by the help of the centrifugation process, dear student. It is one of the oldest method to separate. Also, you may have seen in home your mother or grandmother used to separate cream from the milk or curd by the help of churning process. By the churning process, the solid present in the solution used to come on the surface of the liquid, and it is easily separated. So dear student, please you read the topic and try to learn about the process